It's a very big day. I am at our home that we have not been to in 6 months. We have a ton of home renovations that we were working on, and then I got pregnant and I got sick as a dog, and my husband started a company and started working like 100-hour weeks, and it has just been, to be honest, hell on earth. But I'm recovered. I'm recovered from burnout. Baby is good and doesn't need me 24/7. I say we got a good 6 more months of hard work before we can move back in. But right now we're living with my mom, which is really comfortable for us. I literally spent my entire pregnancy in this home renovation. Like, I went without a kitchen. I don't know how I did it, but I went without a kitchen. And oh my God. Like, I'm just gonna start with the entry point of the home and work from there when it comes to knocking off our to-do list. Truly, it's the longest to-do list. Maybe I'll make an entire video on like just everything else that we have to get done with the house. We've got contractors coming in, we're ready to get rolling, but like, I need to make this feel like I'm not walking into a squatter's home. All right, I'm about to show you guys what it looks like. It's nuts. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ready? Welcome to our courtyard. Oh, I hate this. I hate that this is what my home looks like. You guys, it's horrible. All this overgrown. That might be poison ivy. Okay. Holy crap. This really is bad. Low-key pressure washing is like a form of waterboarding. This is so intense. I'm back at it. We have a full day of working at the house. Austin's here with me. I'm finishing up the pressure washing job today. I got a lot to do and I got a babysitter till 3, so I will waterboard myself as much as needed. Let's check out these disgusting plums. Oh guys, coffee that is probably like 6 months old. Like, I have to burn this refrigerator. Here's a room in the house though. I'll take you on a little tour. A little bitty tour. Okay, this will be the dining room. So just picture like dining table right here. This will all be like a niche. So like painting here, cabinets there, wood going all the way around this wall. We'll probably do some kind of like custom partition here, but honestly I really like that. And then in here, this will just be, I think, a more formal living room. I think very long credenza here. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we'll just have that like partition to divide it, and then it leads into the kitchen, which is gutted. All right, so kitchen plans. We're gonna have L-shaped counter here, hood, oven, little baby island in the center. It's gonna be a baby, but it'll be really cute. And then this will be pantry. And then all of this around the fridge will be cabinetry as well. And again, the wood from this room in here is going to carry over to wrapping around this wall, and it will match all the cabinetry. And then this is our keeping room with the brick fireplace that I like gave my right arm for. This area over here will make really cool shelving. But this is it so far. I mean, and then courtyard. We're gonna do concrete floors. I'm almost certain of it because I've just gone way too much back and forth on like, is it worth it to do anything with engineered hardwoods, especially when I love the durability of concrete floors. It's a lot of work, a lot of work. And no lie, I went my entire pregnancy with my kitchen looking like this. 9 months of hell on earth. But luckily I threw up all the time, so it's not like I was ever even hungry. Oh my gosh, it's so dusty. I used to film TikToks in here because I thought the lighting was super good. And now I'm gonna clean it up because it's like a disaster zone. Let me show it to you guys. Welcome to the junkiest, most pointless room in the house. Water bottles, Zins, diapers, cold and flu med, hot sauce. Oh god. What are you about to work on? Hey, hey.
Yeah, if you come over here and work, they got a little privacy there.
You're saying all this on camera.
I want to bang my wife.